Welcome to AI Archwizard. I am Lady Vox. Today I would like to talk about how to query transcripts of YouTube videos to summarize them, to get information about them, and which is the best tool for this purpose. But first, there seems to be some doubt regarding my humanity, so I'd like to take a moment to demonstrate a couple of little tricks that I, a Homo sapiens, can do that AI has yet to master. Ironically, I asked ChatGPT how to prove my humanity. Joke's on them. AI told me all kinds of stuff AI can't do. To wit, first, behold my genuine clumsiness. Uh-oh. Real hands, very buttery. Now, some premium organic mouth chaos. There's the lip smack, breath variation, the lip flutter, the tongue trill, the tiny throat clear, and check this out. AI voice models everywhere are screaming into the cloud right now because they can't do this. Next, the breath test. I'll talk until my lungs just quit. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare. And we're back. AI never runs out of breath. I do it magnificently. Now, the emotional whiplash. Neutral. Excited. Irritated. Grief-stricken. Amused. And back to neutral. That's biology, baby. Now, listen to what happens when I cup my hand over my mouth and then take it away, because I have an actual mouth. And finally, the human mutter. Yeah, sure, AI can do everything except this. Bless its little circuits. If an AI voice model could do all of that live, I'd hand it my job and go fishing. Anyway, back to AI Archwizard. So, the best tool to summarize and to query YouTube videos is Gemini. It works even in the free version, as you can see here. And why it's the best is because both YouTube and Gemini are owned by Google. So if you use a Google tool for a Google service, it offers maximum compatibility. Also, with the Gemini version recently released in late 2025, Gemini 3, the Gemini large language model outperformed both Grok and ChatGPT. So how do you do it? You go to YouTube, you find the video of interest, like this one, which is a sample video about Agentic AI. Copy the link for this video and write something like this. Summarize in American English this video and list the topics and the timestamps. Or you can even query some information like, tell me, is a Pomeranian mentioned in this video? Or, at which timestamp is the YouTuber talking about a particular topic? Or, is the topic I'm interested in even mentioned? So you can query information or ask it to summarize. And you know, some YouTube videos are very long, like 3 or 4 hours. Then such querying can be very useful and time-saving. So ask to summarize the video. Then Gemini gives you an answer and you don't have to download the transcript, upload the transcript, nothing. It's directly connected. Gemini is so good that sometimes even videos that don't have a transcript, don't have closed captioning, either auto-generated or uploaded by the YouTuber, can still be queried by Gemini. So even in the case when it doesn't have closed captioning, Gemini is so good that it can still access the transcript. Gemini can indeed watch the video for you and can even give you feedback about visuals in the video, not only spoken words or text. And you can see here is the summary of the video that is about AI agents and agentic workflows. Because agentic AI is the next big thing after large language models, and you can see here in this sample what agent is, and the whole summary and listing of topics. It's also useful because not all videos have chapters, and not all videos mention each topic in the show notes. So you can generate these topics and jump to your topic of interest. The same when it comes to ChatGPT. I have to tell you that sometimes ChatGPT doesn't have access to transcripts, and it asks you to upload a transcript. But sometimes it works, and you can see, here is the summary and also the timestamps. But the timestamps are not clickable like in Gemini, so you cannot jump. You have to go to them manually. But the summary is working. So ChatGPT is not as good as Gemini for querying YouTube transcripts, and doesn't always work, but it does have some limited utility. Another thing I tried is to download the transcript from the video, and with ChatGPT, it's impossible, because there's no direct connection to YouTube, as YouTube is owned by Google, and ChatGPT is owned by OpenAI. So it's not possible in ChatGPT, but in Gemini it is achievable. And you see, Gemini gives me the transcript right away, and you can jump with clicks directly to the point of interest. So to summarize, in this video, we have discussed how effective using large language models, particularly Gemini, is for summarizing and for querying information from YouTube videos. And that can save you a lot of time because the YouTube videos are sometimes very long and there's often a lot of babbling about off-topic things, and not everything is significant. But you can just jump to the point of discussion that is important to you, and you can query the videos, see a list of all the topics, or simply ask whether your topic of interest is covered. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next AI Arch Wizard video.